So it's Friday, we're open to the public, and we're now going to go to where the... I'll just close the door again. There's a bit of history here. That was off the Merley's powerhouse, and that was off the Crossley powerhouse at Pottery Lane, or the substation. So in here, this is where we make three-phase electric. And this is another Gardner with an interesting history. It was, I think it was in the Gardner powerhouse. 4-cylinder LW. And it's been fitted with an extension shaft, and it drives this 3-stage compressor. We have 2 of these. This is the other one that's driven off 3-phase if required. And we also have a little standby that will blow the bottles up. Petter here. And these are 2 air receivers. They're rated at 400 psi, but we just blow them up to 200. That's the air from last week. So we know that. We press the button on the bottom, put it into fuel. You're going to check see if there's some oil in it. A very handy, awkward place.
Looking good.
Yeah, looking good. The button's in for fuel. Make sure the rack's all the way there. Hang on, just a minute. So, now turn the batteries on. Are you confident?
Confident.
Right, I'll stand back here. For no reason. Press the button, kid.